Hi, and welcome to Board Minds Think Alike. I'm Josh. Today is a very special day. I'll be doing something different. Specifically, I'll be gaming on a smartwatch.
Wow.
So you're probably thinking, why would he subject himself to this torment, right?
Why not?
Well, the real answer is, I was just randomly scrolling on the Galaxy Store, which is like Samsung's own app store. I found a little area or a category that has a bunch of games and apps that are compatible with my smartwatch. By the way, the smartwatch is the Galaxy Active Watch 2, the Galaxy Watch Active 2, whatever. Point is, this is a very old smartwatch, like almost 6 years old. It's not every day that you'll find a random person on the internet playing games on their smartwatch. I just find it charming that you can play games here on this tiny screen. And not to mention, this has an OLED screen. Maybe the colors will pop, who knows? I'm happy that I find a couple more uses for my gadgets. So let me quit yapping here. Let's get on with it.
I made this channel cause I was just a little bored. Please subscribe, there's a whole world that we can all explore. We're all born minds to think alive. We're all born minds to think alive. Yeah.
Alright, my apologies. I had to move my main camera over here just so that you can see this more clearly. Currently, right now, the battery is 93%, just so that you have a baseline and we can see how much the battery draws from all these games and apps. I know it's 4 a.m. Cut me some slack, okay? Alright, I've already organized everything into a nice little page. This is how it looks like, by the way, folders in the Galaxy Watch. Now, obviously, you cannot expect this thing to run AAA games, right? So, the games here are not of the highest quality, but that's okay. But I do think they are fun in their own right. So let's just start with one of the games that look pretty interesting. Now, the first game that I'm gonna show you is Geary Bird. Now, I believe that it's Geary Bird because this was made for the Samsung Gear in mind, like the watch. Now, this is a faithful recreation of two franchises. One is a game about violently throwing flightless birds using a slingshot at helpless piggies. And then the other one is Flappy Bird. I don't know if you can still recall that game, but it used to be such a huge craze back in the day, up to the point that the original creator of Flappy Bird delisted the game from the App Store for both Apple and Android, I believe, just because people were getting too addicted to it. But yes, this game is just kind of Flappy Bird with an Angry Bird skin. I don't know if I can make this more interesting than it looks, but it is what it is. It's pretty responsive, not gonna lie. I mean, it's pretty charming, I say, but the developer is actually charging money for this. I'm just playing the trial version, so this might lock itself out in a few games. So moving on, made by Unity. So this game is a simplistic version of Pinball. You can touch the left and the right side of the screen to control the bumpers, but yeah, it doesn't really change except for the color. Meh. Moving on. Now, next game is Whacky Mole. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So you gotta hit them, right? It's a weird... Don't hit the rabbits? Yes. This is not a typical whack-a-mole, but I'm just gonna purposely not hit the mole and see what happens. Too late. Alright, let's hurry things up because my camera is about to overheat. Snake 3310. Now that is a very tall order to just copy the name and reference the actual game. As you know that this old game is legendary. I think everybody has played a version of that game. I don't know, if you haven't, you should try it. Let's try to start a new game. Easy. Okay, I don't know how to control it. It seems like it's only going right when I tap it. I get it. I get the controls now. If you tap it on the right side, it goes right. If you tap it on the left, the head turns left. I mean, I don't know. It doesn't feel the same. I'm not a fan. Next is Galactica, and referencing another popular game.
That man is playing Galactica.
We're not gonna mention it. Oh, the graphics look really nice, honestly. I could see myself playing this, unironically. It doesn't have sounds though. Or maybe I just turned off the sounds. Look! I mean the stars in the background just pop because it's OLED. I hate that I keep mentioning OLED, but yeah, if you like Galaga, you might want to install this game. It's free to download. So this one deserves a thumbs up. Next game, Oh Flip, a game about backflips. Enlighten me, please. Okay. Oh, so if you hold the screen, you do a backflip. That's pretty cool. This reminds me so much of those homebrew games on the PSP. I don't know if many of you guys can relate, but I used to have a PSP and I had plenty of homebrew games like Jelly Car and stuff like this that I like to install when I was a kid. But yeah, it's pretty unique. And it's really maximizing the space. It's really pulling its weight in terms of creativity. I mean, the graphics are simple, but alright, next game. Oh, Tic-Tac-Toe. I want to play as an X. Yeah, simple Tic-Tac-Toe. Okay, I lost. I mean, it's self-explanatory. Simple as simple gets. Another game, rock, paper, scissors. It's in Spanish. Piedra, Papel, Tijeras. I was just gonna say, whatever. It's starting to die down, the hype. Oh, one last game. This alien looking thingy here. Probably gonna be another Galaga thing. Doddle War. Oh, that sounds. Wait, this sound reminds me of something. I forgot the name, but. Game over. Game over. Game over for me. It's like 4:30 and I'm really getting sleepy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What else? Oh, I think I ran out of games, so let's just see the apps. So I saw this little imitation of the Omnitrix. If you know, you know. If you like Ben 10, you like Ben 10. Let's see if we can transform to any alien. Oh, this watch has a cool feature that if you touch the bezels, it actually moves it. I mean, it interacts with the screen, the bezels on it. Okay, how can we choose an alien? See? So this is accelerate, diamond head, forearms. No, not gray matter, please. Don't ask me how I know all the names of these aliens. Okay, so I'm now transformed. Woo! It also has a lockout thing. Alright, that's enough of that. Whoa. Oh, this one's pretty cool, yeah. A fidget spinner. So, as I mentioned before, this phone has like interactive bezels. So, you can... It actually has haptic feedback as well. So if you're really, really bored, you can just use a fidget spinner. What am I doing with my life? You can change the color of it too, I think. Orange, yellow, green. Oh. Next one, the last one actually. It's a dice game. No, we're not gonna upgrade. Here. Just click it and then it'll give you dice. And it'll give you dice combinations. Alright, that's pretty much it. I ran out of stupid shit to show you guys. I don't know what the point of this video is, to be honest. But thanks for sticking around anyways. Oh, and also battery check. We are at 86%. So we only lost like a few minutes. But to be honest, I didn't really overstay my welcome. I played around like roughly a minute or two with each app or game, so Honestly, I know it's not showing well on camera, but I had fun. And that's the most important thing. Who knew you could play games on your smartwatch? And I don't know what you can do with that information. Alright, let's go back. Well, that's the extent of my collection of cool games or apps that I found on the Galaxy store. By the way, if you're interested to see a tour of my gaming PC setup, please let me know down in the comment section below. And while you're there, please leave a like if you like this video. And subscribe too, why not? Thanks for watching and have a great one.